Hello, welcome to another Magna Finance video. Today I'm going to explain how to configure the automatic communication of invoices to the finances. Only the invoices issued after the configuration will be automatically communicated. The documents that were already issued have to be sent with the CFG file. If you want to make this configuration, we suggest that you do it in the beginning of the month to make it simpler. To start, we need to create a sub-user on the Autoridade Tributária's platform, and then configure it on our platform. To create it, we go to the Portal das Finanças website, access Users Management, and click on Create New User. Then you just need to choose the username and password, and activate the invoice communication option. Click on Submit, and your new user is created and ready to configure on Magna Finance. Now that we have the sub-user's login, you just need to access Settings, Details, and check the Send Invoices to AT automatically box. Fill in the login information. After verifying that the information is correctly filled, click Save. As soon as you get the success message, the invoices will begin to be automatically communicated. If you have any questions, leave them on the comments below, and thank you for watching another Magna Finance video.